Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You want friends fast? Pick 1 or 2 platforms and commit. Create a clear profile, avatar, availability, playstyle, so people know what to expect. Once done, join 3 communities tied to your game: an official forum, a subreddit, and at least 1 Discord server. Make your username consistent across platforms. This reduces confusion. Also, set notifications for active channels so you see pickup games and events right away, and respond quickly when someone invites you. You now move from passive to active participation. Comment on posts, join looking for group channels, and volunteer for low-stakes runs. Use filters for skill level, language, and playtime to find compatible players. Save searches and follow helpful tags. Once you find promising players, invite them to 3 short sessions. This reveals communication style and reliability. Make sure to use brief, friendly voice or text intros. This reduces awkwardness and shows you're serious about building a stable group. You should now convert good players into lasting friends by sending friend requests with a short note, where you met and when you play. Once accepted, schedule recurring sessions, pick a night each week or specific events, use calendar pins or reminders. If issues arise, first try a quick conversation to set expectations. If toxicity persists, mute or block and move on. Finally, make sure to ask for referrals from teammates. Friends of friends often become the best long-term.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.